Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be customizing my Nintendo Switch. So stay to the end if you want to find out how it turns out, and let's just jump right into it. So boys, let's spray paint this thing.
The next day.
These actually took a long time to dry out, like the whole evening, but it's looking good now, so let's go on to sketching. And like you already saw from the title, I'll be drawing Among Us because I want to catch on the trend, and I also want more views. I'll be using the graphite pencil technique to transfer the drawing. Okay, this came out looking pretty satisfying. Now it's time to go for start painting.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance.
Oh, I forgot to shake the markers. Now that we're all done with that, let's continue drawing this thing. Okay, I just finished painting it, and now it's time to start inking. And if you're still watching, I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate it.
Speak all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from here. I've been on my own, just running through the field. Say vivid for the ears, I know that's how they like. Yeah, I fantasize.
Charging deck done. Now let's go on to customizing the Joy-Cons. Okay, and first we will begin with the blue one. So the first Joy-Con is complete. Now let's head on to the next. And if you're liking the video thus far, please consider subscribing to the channel. Now it's time to customize the console itself. So guys, let's get started.
I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business. Stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, you want us red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love.
Guys, if you're still watching up till this moment, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it a lot.
Summer sauce for my Benjamins. I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Been Papa, word the G, baby. Look, lab till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
Now I'm coloring the death rate thingy that shows in the game.
Had to find a way to get it. Know the season what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade. And I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it.
Okay, now it's time to ink the last part of this custom. I just finished customizing the Nintendo Switch, so let's spray paint it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, but before I do the reveal, okay, and so boys, enjoy the reveal.